Hello everyone, it's us again, reporting back on the results from our kitchen mat survey.
Yes, there was really just one question. Which pattern do you like most? And number 3 won by a landslide.
Totally killed it. And we were really happy about that because we love that pattern. We love them all. It's like choosing between your children, but
Yes.
we really loved number 3.
Yeah, super versatile. And we just wanted to read and share with you some of the comments that we got on our Instagram account about number 3. Kiri Royale said this about it: "C'est magnifique."
Getting into the French spirit.
Yeah.
And then someone else said, continuing on the French line of thought, love number 3. It could be a marble entry in a chateau.
This person, Blue Waves 16, said they are all beautiful, but number 3 takes the cake. I'd do my whole kitchen in that design. We're with you on that.
I'd like to see that.
Yeah. But our favorite,
Our favorite comment of all came from Orange Bike Yellow Dog, who said number 3, and when you're done making a kitchen mat, can you please make a yoga mat? Merci. You're welcome.
done. We love all of your input. Please keep it coming.
We'll have prototypes in soon.